Hello friends, how are you? We always want a great culture at our companies, and we appreciate and pamper this thought. We can have the best vision, values, practices, people and narrative in our companies, but these important components of culture can be crippled by an ineffective communication strategies. The regular miscommunications happening in a company can cause a huge loss to the company culture, which is more vital than a financial loss. Just think of the dangerous consequences of miscommunication, which may amplify the losses in the organization, in their business and day-to-day operations. This video will help you in understanding the importance, significance and benefits of effective communication at workplace and how it brings up the best circumstances, scenarios and situations for the company to progress. So friends, let's take it forward. So what is an effective communication for an ordinary person? Let us take the example of a sender and a receiver to understand the definition and characteristics of an effective communication. When sender sends a message to the receiver and the receiver receives it, it is called a broadcast. But when the receiver responds the message with another message and the sender receives it, it is called a communication. But right now it is not an effective communication. So how the communication becomes effective? When the sender sends a clear, correct, complete, precise and reliable message to the sender, 50% of the communication becomes effective. And the 100% or the rest 50% is achieved when the receiver sends the response with the same pattern. Now you can think of all the situations when your communication was not that much effective and was not well received. Whether you are a business owner, an employee or an HR, you can easily understand the importance and significance of an effective communication. And we should all remember that this effective communication is important for each and everyone in an organization and in all the departments. So let us find out the importance and significance of an effective communication. If you like the video so far, please consider subscribing and following the channel. And here are the few options of the topics which I want to make as a follow-up video for this one. So if you like any one of these, please do comment me in the section so that I can know what you are liking. And if you want video on any other topic, please give your suggestions as well. So now let's get back to the video and find the significance of effective communication at the workplace. The first and the most important one is team engagement and management. Managing a team becomes a lot easier if you have an effective and strong communication in a company. Effective communication ensures self-discipline and efficient management in the organization, because employees are heard by the top management and there is an open communication in the organization. This also results in higher employee job satisfaction, and your employees are bound to stay longer with you. And if there is high job satisfaction in your employees, they will deliver their best. The second benefit is team building. People in the organization work as a team to accomplish common goals. Thus, effective communication boosts the morale of the team. A workplace enriched with effective and open communication helps in building a cohesive and effective team. It brings in the zeal in the employees to work towards the common objectives of the organization. Regular internal communication also builds work ethics if the staff is reminded regularly that they are working towards a common goal. It also builds rapport and trust among the teams to work in the better way. The third benefit of effective communication is building strong relationships. Interactions often simplify things. This motivates the employees to perform better and build a long-term and strong relationships in the organization. Effective communication is considered to be a base of trust and assures the sharing of complete information. Effective communication should be the focus in the businesses because it is largely difficult to properly construct and foster productive relationships without it. It also promotes the desire to work towards a common goal for a smoother work environment. The fourth benefit of effective communication is that it facilitates creativity and innovation. It helps in creating an environment where management and employees are free to share their ideas by exploring their innovative and creative side, which further helps in the overall development of the organization. It builds a safe place for creativity. People will feel better about themselves socially to know that their message is delivered as expected. Fifth benefit is reduction in misunderstanding. Effective communication eliminates the possibility of confusion and misunderstanding by conveying the message clearly and appropriately. Every employee knows what exactly is expected from them and what steps need to be taken. It is an easy way to address issues behind any conflict and turning it into something creative. This clarifies how each employee is contributing towards company goal without overlooking the important information. The sixth benefit is free voice and brainstorming. The employees provide their unbiased opinion as they share their ideas, thoughts and feelings conveniently. This provides help in improving the existing businesses, departments and processes. This also gives an opportunity to the organizations to ideate and brainstorm new initiatives and business expansions. Employees benefited by an effective communication can give free and vital piece of advice which can add up to the efficient decision making in the organization. Seventh benefit is growth of organization. Effective communication develops a good working relationship with the employees through fair communication, so they trust management and their decisions. It ensures better decision making, intensifies public relationship and enhances problem solving ability. All this leads to corporate growth and development. It fosters productive and talented workforce. By maintaining cordial relations between employees and management, it enhances the functioning and leads to achievement of corporate goals and objectives. Now you know that effective communication is a way to start achieving greater milestones quickly in any organization. Whether you are a solopreneur, small, medium or large business, effective communication can help you keep away unnecessary barriers as far as possible. So if you like the video, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video in your social media circle and comment with the suggestions. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and follow our channel. So that is for the day. Meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching and bye.